In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a goal tracker in Notion using a template. To get started, open Notion and sign into your account. Once you're in your workspace, head over to the sidebar and click New Page. This will give you a fresh place to build your tracker without affecting any of your existing pages. After the new page opens, look for the template search area and type in the word goal. This helps Notion narrow down the available templates so you can quickly find the one you need. From the search results, click Goals Tracker. This template is designed to help you organize, monitor, and update goals in a clear and practical way. Next, select the template to begin the setup process. At this point, Notion will guide you through a few customization options. You'll be asked to choose which tracker features you want to include. For example, you can add fields like due date, priority, team, quarter, progress, and days until due. These options are useful because they let you tailor the tracker to the way you work. If you're managing personal goals, you may only need a few fields. If you're tracking team goals, adding more details can make the system much easier to manage. Once you've chosen the features you want, click Continue. You'll then be asked to choose your preferred views. These views control how your goals are displayed inside the tracker. You can select options such as All Goals, By Status, My Goals, and By Team. Choosing multiple views can make it easier to switch between a big picture overview and more focused lists, depending on what you want to review. When you're happy with your selections, click Done. Notion will then create the goal tracker and add it to your workspace. Give it a moment to load, and then open the new Goals Tracker page. Now it's time to make it your own. Start by replacing the sample goals with your actual goals. Then update the details for each one, including the status, owner, due date, priority, and progress values. Keeping these fields accurate is important because it turns the template from a simple list into a useful tracking system. Finally, make a habit of updating your goals regularly. As progress changes, refresh the tracker so you can clearly monitor what's on track, what needs attention, and what has already been completed. Consistent updates are what make this tool truly effective. Thanks for watching.